Come on, before I pull off. Open the door. It's open. It's open, Grandma. Open the door.
You dumb bitch, open this door!
What did you call me? Grandma, it's open. Stop pulling, it's open. Come on.
Open the door, you dumb bitch! Open the door!
I want to pull off. It's open.
It's not open! If I have to climb in this bitch, you... Come on, Jay!
Open the door, Grandma. It's open. What are you doing? It's open. It's open. Go in the back seat. If you don't go in the back seat in 3 seconds, I'm pulling off. 1, 2, 3.
Dumb bitch, you.
Watch Mariah. You just sat on Mariah.
Screw her! Screw you!
Did you slam my door?
Damn right!
What's wrong, Grandma? Are you wet?
Get the screw out of here.
Are you wet? Are you wet? Are you wet? Oh man! Give it to me. Oh, you ugly. What are you doing? That's not your umbrella.
I don't give a shit.
It's not.